Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, bottom cover, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, optical drive, modem module, hard disk drive, fan, keyboard, and base enclosure. Removal: remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement: place the speakers into position on its alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure.